Chocolate, everyone's favorite sweet treat, and today we're showing you how to make it with only 3 ingredients. Before we start though, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay notified on our latest videos. So you're going to need 1.5 cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of coconut oil, and for optional ingredients you can have shredded coconut and wafers, but both of these are optional ingredients. On low-medium heat, add coconut oil, cocoa powder, and icing sugar in a saucepan and mix thoroughly. It's also important to remember to leave your heat at low-medium. This is because if it's higher than low-medium, it can burn the chocolate. If you want, you can put less sugar to make your chocolate more healthy. It really depends on what kind of chocolate you really want to eat. So just keep mixing it until your chocolate looks something like this and has a very liquidy consistency. After that, just let it cool for 2 minutes. Feel free to take out some chocolate molds, or if you don't have chocolate molds, you can use an ice cube tray. It works just as well, or you can even use a normal tray. It's really up to you and what you have. So after your chocolate has cooled, a little tip would be to get a glass and a Ziploc bag and pour your chocolate into the Ziploc bag as it's inside the glass. It's pretty self-explanatory. It avoids the mess. It's easy. Obviously, if you don't have a Ziploc bag, you can just use a spoon. Now you can just easily pour your chocolate into your chocolate molds without worrying about making too much of a mess. Now just kind of bounce your mold up and down to level out the chocolate to make it all even before you put it in the fridge to let it solidify. So just do the exact same thing with all of your other molds and you should have different shapes of chocolates. Now here's something if you want to get a little bit more creative. Glaze your chocolate mold with your liquid chocolate and put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it should be solid. You can then go ahead and sprinkle coconut in the middle of each chocolate insert. Then cover the shredded coconut with the liquid chocolate. And just like the others, put it in the fridge until it solidifies. Over here, we're just glazing the ice cube tray with the liquid chocolate and putting it in the freezer for 15 minutes like we did before. After 15 minutes, it should be solid. You can then go ahead and layer the chocolate on top with the wafers. And like before, just pour the liquid chocolate on top of the wafers. Now level out the chocolate to ensure all of them are the same size. And then put it in the fridge until it solidifies. Now all of our chocolates are finally ready to take out of their molds. This part is pretty self-explanatory, just take your chocolates out of your molds and you're done. As you can see, all of our chocolates are coming out absolutely beautiful. Now, if you want to get really creative, you can decorate your chocolates with vanilla icing. We actually have a recipe to make this vanilla icing in one of our previous videos, which will be linked in the description below, so don't forget to check that out as well. And that's pretty much it. How to make chocolate with 3 ingredients. All of them turned out absolutely beautiful and taste delicious as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.